and yeah, I went up the place and thing and I said, so this team I never know. I said, for book now. I beat it and I said, yeah. Put it on the back because then it's a boom. Post off dog, I'm say.
Yeah, pleasant good afternoon. I'm here in Mandeville Town with the youngest set of choppers, Mr. Kill Quick and Mr. Mosrichwellbad. I would really like to ask you guys how you guys do the chopping so brawling, like you don't care about the cops. Oh my god.
So yeah, people. One can see in our title already. What go on, you see me? So I'm even have to explain what the video all about. Yes, so basically there's a thing going on you see me? David did, but that's a be a real man now still, you see me, and come straight forward with this and thing, you see me? Now be like some man who go around corner and do them thing, you see me, where come straight forward, is like a lot of fuckery are going and and thing, and I see be a video leak and thing, you see me? Yeah man, so no nothing like that go on and make I'm gonna say Ray. I'm out there, you see me? And it go look bad on that side there, you see me? So I just come straight forward and talk to my fans. Kinda fucked up stills. Cause I know say no fight dog them probably I'll cut me off after this and thing. Kinda shake up in a whole heap of ways still, you see me? I don't even know still. No one there. Yo, I'm get back so afraid a little fuss. So like me they have my woman. She single. So she always power with me, same way, you see me? You know we are Geo full of. We're mostly I really care about a man friend like power with girls mostly and anything, you see me? Yeah. So like day up and day like as my woman gonna class and she now no class can link me with they chill. My dog man, she and her friend them same way. They chill and relax, talk and easy back and thing, you see me? So they like up and down at school till people start say we are all there. People start say we are all there and thing. And when I say, what the fuck? So somebody can't par again and I'm not there like not there. You see me? News all start go out to my own. Say, you're not there. Very. Cause that conflict in high school way. She the one war the girl for nothing at all. You see me? Yeah. Do a bugger thing cause still war go on on my name there, I mean I say and my dogs them have to party like then get at it and dogs them running and party and thing which I never did still for see or nothing, you see me? Yeah. So as my sister did it like about couple evenings, right? They didn't she advise you in an evening cause normally like you know say up in the hills them we have special bus will come pick you up and thing at evening time. Yeah, well there's a special bus will come for at evening time and thing, you see me? Boy, big up. Can't forget the bus, the hard drops, you see me? Yeah man. Hard drops the whole well but gang the pan that the bus there at evening time have a special time when we alone it come for, you see me? Yeah, so set a book now like very easy. So like couple evening she see me come off my place because they kinda live closer to school than everybody else. I come off my place and I easy, you see me? So I did my meds and like by the time she reach home she link me up and I said never know say I'm so close to live and thing. And I say, yeah man, and said speed when she call me, my dogs them there, they have vibes. Have vibes to tune for the ends as him. And I go on easy. So I say, alright, pay that man. Lady talk and she said, yeah, the vibes is right. She said, them dogs are full of vibes in it. I know man, what am I charging them man? Be a trouble them man, they love pay and thing, you see me? Yeah man, so I say, alright no man. Got school following day. Talk and chillax, my woman come link me. My woman come link me and see me with her, get vexed and thing, I'm like, fuck. I say, alright, nobody even care anymore. Cause it's like a boy and a girl camp her and on a deck. You see me? Talk. And said speed. She and my best friend, she and my friend. But we roll close. And said speed now, me and my best friend still apart and things see me, you see me? And like, but my woman and my best friend. My woman and my best friend are friend, like close friend too. You see me? So she now look for her best friend on me instead. But she came to say the other girl, she don't know her to that with them. I said, alright. They even have put you up on my head. You see me? No problem. Now what you feeling? So like we have vibes and I got you on it easy. You hold around there. Get some boom water from shoot it, right? Kinda fucked up still dog, like I shouldn't even pray, you see me? Tell no story about this still, but no I'm pay that no money still, you see me? Yeah, so like so like how she want me there now? Oh yeah, so yeah. She has to like she not go low if a boy not go low for her and thing. And I say, yo, who tell us the boy not go low and thing and you know rather chat to her and thing, you see me? And I say, yo, once I do it for me, I have a problem doing it, you see me? Ray, and I chat to her and thing and she say, me serious about that and Ray. So she make up her mind on, so she forward the next day. Same place for the end, so she forward and thing. And the ends I go up on the day, like, couldn't use by the ends like a next bad charge and you want to dip on the base already and thing. So I have to do a good little time till one of my dog link me, I go up on the next ends. Out there they are easy, so like I chat to her and thing. She said me I do it, I'm serious and very, I said no problem. So she had do it to me, you see me, she give me heads and thing, give me heads. I mean, set a boom now. My grip on and choke. I don't get them like the gangster style as usual. She did that and I need dog. I'm gonna say you know, say as I'm now I gotta be my pretty little freak. I chat to her, you see me, and she did and she look for me and we and just give her the two. Just give her the gun finger box, the 2 finger boxes in me. It's tough and nice, you know the badness already. Some just a deal with it. You see me? And just attack her in her face, brawling. I know go to work though. Yeah man, I'm just say, aye. Watch a flicker now. I'm gonna say, aye. There, man. Beat it and thing and get wet up the place and thing. And I say, so this team I never know. I say, so book now. And beat it and I say, yeah. Put it on the back because then it's a boom. Bust off dog, I'm gonna say. Skirt the night. Bust off and say it's a boom. It's a book from mine. I say, I'll go for your next round, but I have a next boost dog. I say, but that get shaky, you know, that I left this, you know. So it's a boom now, I'm lay down on the bed now. Lay down on the bed and she's now. And she has said, say now, do something. And I said, do what? Say, that's what you say I gotta do. I said, do what? The rain, man. I said, which rain? Man, I said, it's real. Real that thing said. Mother, do that.
I am the one, the way you turn
chopper look for my good chopper. Yo, I see enough for uno. Sit down and listen. Everything when me I see a while ago, you know. Everything when me I see a while ago, and sit down and listen, you know, just to hear the part. You know, I see somebody who skip a video too. Yeah, man. I see you too, man. Who skip a video too, man. I talk about, I see a man for come to the end for come here, man. I talk about. Bad man. I'm telling you this. What such man would have said, no eating of the buff. You hear that? No eating of the buff. The whole now no get pranked. Everyone now no get pranked who sit down and watch this right now. You see me? People, I don't want to now comment in the comment section say a prank, you know. When just comment some laughing emoji and some fire emoji and some white emoji. Well, other people that will see video just come on and have to look to cause them have a style where they might read the comments them first while the video play, they might read the comments them. And know say a prank, you see my people. So I know just comment be your wine and be your fire and laughing emoji in the comments. You see me? People, no eating after both people. We're not gonna be like, but I put out the video. But we forgot to say YouTube are going away where they post a video with it. YouTube take it down. So we now bother put it, but I put on picture. Right, that's up. You see me? Yeah man, we are squadding on par, yes I. Yeah man, we are squadding on par, my friend, you see me? Yeah man, so I tell you, everybody please like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment, be a laughing and fire and white emoji now, you know. Why you know? You see me? People, I go have my song are there to the ending of it right so. I want to go view my song, the link in the description, Mosrichwellbad Vevo. Link in the description. I want to go view that song, you see me? Bad piece of song, you see me? Yeah man, I want to go view it out. And subscribe to my channel to see me, you see me? So people, I know the rights, no eating at the buff. Yeah man, I know I say no for dogs and now go watch to the end. So them a burn me out. But it's alright, you see me? Real ones them know the truth. No eating of the bus. Bad man can't do that, you see me? You see me? No bending low. Yeah. No the badness. It's a rich gang. Who say go on now? Bad prank though. You know we outside. You do the right. Rich gang, we out.
One bang a phone and a phone card. Make your client turn idiot. One bang a phone and a phone card. House pan the hill dog, rims pan the Benz that brad. Tell us set up and top up. So you be get chop up, make lock up and strap up. Mark X key, make your girl one cock up. Sleepless nights, boy body get bag up. 5 skid, make him money pass and top up. Bank tell a girl see the vibes and top up.
Man, big up to me, cameraman for that video. You see me both comedy. Yeah man, young YouTuber too, you see me both comedy. In Instagram and up so. Show on a video them on his page probably. Or put in page so. The link are there in the description to you see me. So I want to go over in page and subscribe. Yeah man, and just write Rich Gang over there, you see me. Yeah man, write Rich Gang. Sure say a Rich Gang send on see you, you see me. Subscribe, like and share in video them see when do some bulk content with night show. Video them and thing, you see me, young YouTuber. Yeah man, so I want to big up in this, and I say yo, then get bad prank today though. Then get bad prank today. So yeah people.
No eating off the buff.
No eating off the buff people, you see me. So yeah people, you know the rights, go watch now.